Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be talking about digital printing and how it impacts packaging design as well, right? So technically digital printing it's a contactless print process, which means that no separate print media are required at all. It's because the print image is transferred directly to the printing press, which is the computer. In comparison, the offset printing, which is the more laborious press set, isn't really required, right? So as you can see, the first image right here, this is how the print packaging works. So there are certain machines that are required, and the images that you make or the packaging that you design, it gets transferred through the computer to this machine, and then it starts getting printed onto all these sheets right here. Okay, so the benefits of digital packaging are absolutely essential for today's packaging sector. It's the ideal process for small to medium print realms, and it enables the creation of customized printing for packaging and displays. So now coming to its uses and benefits of digital printing, it's well suited to small and medium print, which runs in different formats. Its low setup costs translates into good cost benefits in comparison to other printing processes. It's also essential for a quick market launch. Fast image changes results in shorter delivery times. Hence, you can optimize your supply chain with digital printing. It also helps you to retain your clients through customized packaging for special purposes or for any seasonal campaigning. Your print images can also be personalized as well. A whole range of special colors can be stimulated by using the CMYK process colors. So the CMYK is right here. So the C stands for cyan, M is magenta, Y is yellow, and K also actually falls under black. So you can actually adjust these colors in order to make these different kinds of digital printing for it to be printed onto different materials as well, right? So now coming to its advantages, first one being the flexibility. You can have a variety of designs for a series of printed products in offset quality with no limitation in number of colors. So have a look at these Coke bottles as well. So as you know that these Coke bottles are technically made up of glass, and as you can see that each bottle has a different print, it has different colors. So you can play around with the colors, play around with the designs, and get them printed on different materials, right? And also replacement for labels. Product descriptions can be printed directly onto your packaging by digital print shop. So you don't have to use any stickers or labels to just stick it onto your, which is technically used to just stick it onto your products. You can actually save a lot of paper from that. So due to the printing width of 2.80 meters, packaging and displays can be produced in one piece using digital printing as well. So these were some of the advantages of digital printing. And now coming to some additional information as well. So digital printing is also the driver of digitization. Digital printing makes ever-increasing diversity in retail with ever-short product life cycles. Thus, manufacturers require individual packaging, right? So you can design individual packaging and help save a lot of paper from that way. Now coming to the packaging point of view, digital printing can be used to produce packaging solutions that contain digital data codes. This isn't visible to the human eye, but the digital data code can be viewed with an app. The information can be scanned through an internet-enabled smartphone or tablet. and this doesn't really affect the printed image at all. So what it does is that if you have any additional information on your printed product and you cannot see it, you can actually use certain apps which detects the digital codes, and then you can view the additional information as well. Right? Now coming to one really interesting type of digital print, which is called the flatbed digital print. It's also used for packaging as well. It's more or less the same thing, but it's slightly different. So it's flatbed digital printing typically uses an inkjet printer to reproduce digital images. It's considered the future of digital printing. The process uses ultraviolet UV curable inks to print digital images on flat surfaces. This process is important as it can print on numerous surfaces such as metal, wood, glass, and tiles. The technology can also print on materials that have varying levels of thickness. Now coming to the advantage of flatbed digital printing, but before that, I've got an image here for reference purposes right here, and as you can see, this is a machine for flatbed digital printing, and you can see that it automatically just prints out the same design on different kinds of plates like these, and technically it's a lot faster as compared to the proper digital printing right here. So now coming to the advantages of flatbed digital printing. First one being its higher consistent quality. It has a higher initial cost than its competition, but when it comes to in print, it has a higher detail and a higher level of accuracy and repeatability. It's also environmentally friendly as it produces less waste cartridges and lesser air pollution, and also leaves a smaller carbon footprint. And when it comes to the cost, it's very flexible and it's also low cost as well. It's great for custom and commercial packaging as well, because it lowers the ease of customization and allows customers to play around and develop their own designs at a much more lower price. And lastly, it's also quick and efficient production time. This technology doesn't use any additional plates. It's a lot faster than conventional printing. So as you can see, if you already put in certain number of these plates, it gets automatically printed onto these, like the designs get printed onto these plates as well. So we've come to the end of our video, and I hope you found this video to be useful and you get an idea of what digital printing is, what a flatbed digital printing is as well. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.